Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I'm going to show you how I transformed some stuff I recently got from a thrift store. I am so excited to show you how these turned out. This is also in collab with these other beautiful talented ladies. I am going to have the information to the person who is next in the hop down in the description box. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start by showing you a few things I picked up from the thrift store. This glass right here cost me 49 cents, and some handles, I think they're called door handles, or I don't know, they're just handles, and each of these cost me 29 cents each. I also picked up a few frames and little decor signs. And I'm also recycling some wood that I had at home. I did cut 5 pieces. 3 of them were the same size and the other 2 were the same size. So I'm going to start by putting the 3 pieces that were the same size side by side, and then the other 2 like the opposite side, like this. Before I glue them, I am going to sand a little bit of the edges. Once I had finished sanding them, I then went ahead and put them back together how they were and started to glue these. Now I'm using some wood glue, and I usually don't leave it overnight to like dry because I use a combination of hot glue and wood glue. But this time I'm only using wood glue, so I'm going to let this dry overnight. As you can see, I didn't cut them that good, so there was like gaps in between them. So to cover that up, I just added some extra glue and then just cleaned the extra using a wet napkin. You can totally skip this step, but I just wanted it to be nice and secure, so I did put some staples in the back for extra support. I then went ahead and painted this using some white chalk paint, and I did mix a little bit of water so it can be more of a stain instead. I just wanted some of the wood texture to show. Once it was dry, I then added the handles. Now these handles I got them from the thrift store. They didn't come with screws, so I am going to use my E6000 to glue these. Now I'm just letting it dry for a couple of hours. Now the next step is optional. You can just leave it like this. It's already a beautiful tray without adding anything else. But what I decided to do is just add this bless sign I made using my Cricut machine. And that is it for this tray. I think it turned out beautiful, and the best part that it was so inexpensive to make. My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. Now from the thrift store, I'm going to use this glass that I got that cost me 49 cents, and I'm going to spray paint it using this metallic paint. paint. Basically, that is it, guys. Now, the last thing I added was this little greenery ball that I had that I made in a previous video. I told you this was very, very easy. I basically just spray painted this and turned it into this beautiful topiary. For my next DIY, I'm going to use this picture frame that I got for 25 cents. Now, the frame is already black, but I wanted it to match the other DIY, so I decided to spray paint it using the same metallic color. So this is how it looks once it's dry. Now the camera doesn't really pick up, but you can tell a little difference. It looks more of metallic instead of a plastic. Now the next thing I will be doing is just removing the glass, and I'm going to use this Hobby Lobby scrapbook paper. I got the scrapbook paper when Hobby Lobby had them on sale for $1. Now, once I have it cut it out, I'm going to glue it to the glass, and I didn't glue it on the side where I spray painted the glass. I'm going to use that as like the back instead, because this frame does have two glasses. As you can see, one of them I didn't spray paint. Now I'm going to use some Elmer's glue stick to glue this. You can totally use some Mod Podge, but I decided to just use this. I'm going to add the backpack on the frame. Then I'm going to add this wreath that I already had. And that is it for this beautiful picture home decor DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. For my next DIY, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree sign. Even though this isn't from the thrift store, I am going to flip this because I have been trying to use this sign for a couple of times already, and I haven't found the perfect thing to make until now. So I'm going to just use some of the Hobby Lobby scrapbook paper to add it to the front. If you are wondering what sign is this, it is the little sign that had the little tags in the front. That's why it's white in the center, because I thought I was going to add something. But to be honest, like I said, I've been trying to use this little sign, but until now I found the perfect thing. Now I'm just using some Elmer's glue stick to glue the paper. The next thing I will be adding is this Our Family Gather sign that I got from a Dollar Tree window. Now I'm going to use this bucket to trace it and then cut it out into a circle. I feel like it looks so much better as a circle sign instead of this diamond sign. Once I had it cut, I then glue it in the center. To finish this off, I will be gluing some Walmart boxwood greenery all around it to make a wreath. And that is it, guys. I think this little sign turned out so cute. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.